Accio AI has just been released, and in this review, I'm going to cover 7 crucial things you need to know about this new AI software. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or just someone looking to optimize your workflow, Accio AI might be exactly what you've been looking for. Stick around till the end because I'm going to reveal how you can try this software for free and why it could change the way you work with AI. First off, Accio AI is built with a powerful set of tools aimed at simplifying complex tasks, whether you're managing content, marketing campaigns, or customer interactions. It integrates multiple functionalities into one platform, allowing you to streamline everything from content creation to data analysis with ease. The software uses a combination of natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to provide real-time insights that help boost productivity and efficiency. What's really unique about Accio is its ease of use. A lot of AI tools come with a steep learning curve, but with Accio, even beginners can dive in and start benefiting from its features right away. The interface is user-friendly and the setup process is straightforward, so you won't spend hours trying to get things up and running. One of the standout features is its automated content creation capabilities. If you're involved in content marketing, you know how time-consuming it can be to generate fresh, high-quality material consistently. Accio AI helps you with this by providing AI-generated drafts that can be easily edited and refined. This is a game changer for anyone who needs to churn out content quickly without sacrificing quality. Another key feature is its customer engagement tools. Accio allows you to automate customer interactions through AI-driven chatbots that are intuitive and effective. These bots can handle inquiries, schedule appointments, and even upsell your products or services, saving you time while enhancing the customer experience. Accio AI also offers advanced data analysis and reporting tools. This allows you to track the performance of your campaigns, customer behavior, and overall ROI in real time. If you're into digital marketing or running an online business, you know how important it is to have access to actionable data quickly. With Accio, you can easily identify trends and adjust your strategies accordingly. The software is also highly customizable. Whether you need specific integrations with other platforms or want to tweak settings to fit your unique business needs, Accio provides flexibility in how you use the tool. This makes it a solid choice for businesses of all sizes, from solopreneurs to larger enterprises. Lastly, Accio is a great value for what you get. The software is competitively priced compared to other AI tools on the market, and you get a lot of functionality for the price. Plus, you can start using it for free through the link in the description below, which is a fantastic way to test it out and see if it meets your needs before committing. To sum it up, Accio AI is a versatile, user-friendly tool that combines AI-driven automation with powerful analytics to help businesses thrive. If you're looking to improve efficiency, boost content production, or enhance customer engagement, it's definitely worth a look. If you want to try Accio AI for free, click the first link in the description below. I've tried thousands of AI tools over the years, and Accio is definitely among my top recommendations. Also, make sure to check out the other AI software recommendations in the description after you've had a chance to test this one out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.